Hi, my name's Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami tutorials, and the occasional vlog, so make sure you hit subscribe and hit that bell button if you'd like to get more videos from me. Let's get started. Pop this. I love that feeling. And bring these in. I have a song that I really love that I used to sing with my grandma a lot. It's called Red Dragonfly. I think it's actually up on YouTube. Her and me singing it. So she's so cute with her like croaky voice.
For the party, that's what they call me. Snap another shot to upload to my story. The lines I'm rehearsing, don't wanna be boring. All the voices keeping me up till the morning. How am I walking? What am I wearing? If I'm honest, it can get a little exhausting. Take a step back and take a deep breath and just breathe.
So for anyone who's made a paper crane, this is the paper crane bass.
The spaces, I don't even know who and what I am chasing. Treated as an outsider, where I'm living in. Head up, was isolating, I am feeling it. Afraid when I'm stressing. Need a little time to think about me in life. At the end of the day, we're just human beings. Can't we just be? I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. Oh, I'm on the inside, but it feels like
Now we're gonna create the wings, and this is maybe the hardest part. So pay attention here, and I'll try to take it slow. Did you get that? See this? Make sure it looks like that. Okay, now we'll do the other side. You'll get to see it again. Okay, now we're gonna make the tail. So we're gonna take this side and fold it into the center on both sides. This next spot is also a little bit tricky. It should look something like this, and then we'll attempt the other side. Flip it over. Kind of looks like a dinosaur or something too. Okay, I'm gonna bring this over here. So before we fold the next step, we're gonna flip this. All these lines should be visible now. Do you see them? And then we are going to fold this in half, like this. We're here, and last step is we're going to fold this over like this. Like that. Open up. And then fold this over. So the final step is rolling it up, rolling up the eyes. Just take your time and do it really carefully. And at the very end, you should be able to just kind of fold it in and mold it into place. Like that. Mine have looked better. This one was just okay for me. So normally with origami, you're not supposed to use scissors at all. But today, I'm gonna make an exception. We're gonna use scissors to cut the wings. This is just a secret between you and me, so don't tell anyone. And we are done! How does your dragonfly look? I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you tag me if you post any of your origami creations. I would love to see them. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. You can hear more of my music here, watch more origami tutorials here, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching! Bye!